Alright, let's go! Tirahin natin to.
Here. Look. You need to get the boy. Did the kids come out to look? Did you see it though when it was over here? It looked so crazy. It looked like it's on fire. I don't think that's it. It's just That's the noise. What the heck? Look at it. Look at it. That don't even look normal. Look like it turned into a spirit.
Rumors of aliens invading Miami are going viral on social media.
This is for real, folks. The conspiracy theory stems from a large police presence at Bayside Marketplace on New Year's Day. Take a good look at your screen. Are those aliens walking in front of Bayside Marketplace in downtown Miami? Online conspiracy theorists are saying that shadowy figure, not far from parked Miami police cars, appears to be an alien.
Honestly, I think it looks pretty real to me. Alien look pretty chill.
I'd be friends with an alien. I think it'd be pretty cool.
The viral video was allegedly taken during that massive police presence at Bayside on New Year's Day. Crowds of young people armed with sticks began fighting. Police say juveniles were also setting off fireworks that some believed was gunfire, resulting in chaos.
There's a big crowd of people running out of Bayside and kind of grouping up outside. And then we hear more commotion, and now they're all just running through the streets, running between cars, almost getting hit by cars. It was like absolute chaos.
Now, rumors are circulating on social media saying police weren't there to handle a group of rowdy teens, but rather 8 to 10 feet tall shadow aliens.
But the real question is, are they friendly? Are they after us? Are they gonna attack us? Are they gonna do world domination on us? Who knows, man?
The phrases Miami Mall and aliens in Miami have been among the top 10 searches on Twitter's trending tab. And Google News even has several reports questioning the event. Miami police saying in part, there were no aliens, UFOs, or ETs. No airports were closed. No power outages. The statement ended with a facepalm emoji. Now, to read up on the story, and a lot of people are interested in the story because it's gone viral. Check it out for yourself. Go to our website, cbsmiami.com, and the police were very emphatic. There were no aliens.
Yeah, no aliens, but you can file this one definitely on the Only in South Florida tab.
People love it. People want to talk about it.
Makes for good conversation.
It sure does, yeah.
Okay. Yung video na yon, sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, ito po yung nag-trending na video at kumalat ito sa mga social media, no? Ito yung video kung saan nangyari ang isang alien sighting daw po dito sa may Miami, Florida Mall. Yung unang clip, merong mga batang nakakuha ng video sa kalangitan na merong liwanag at hindi nila maintindihan. At kung napansin nyo naman din siguro, talagang maski ako, hindi ko na naintindihan. Basta ang nakikita ko lang, may ilaw, and then malaki yung ilaw, lumiliit, tapos biglang nawala at biglang bumalik ulit, paliit at palaki ulit siya, no? At doon sa second clip naman ay nakita naman natin yung report na meron nga daw nagpakitang malaking anino or malaking shadow na doon malapit sa mall, no? Or doon sa mall ng Miami. Talaga namang nagpanic yung mga tao at nakita natin na mayroong mga police car na nagresponde at maraming in-interview, no? Pero doon sa interview nakita naman natin na yung iba na amaze at yung isa sabi cool pang araw at yung iba naman ay yung isa naman sinasabi na ano kaya sila kaya ay palakaibigan or pwedeng atakihin tayo or pwedeng meron silang gawing masama sa atin. who knows nga naman, hindi natin alam kung ano yung totoo, no? So, siguro para sa akin, kung totoo man to ha, kung totoo man, siguro may halong kaba. Okay, syempre kakabahan tayo kasi hindi tayo sigurado kung ano yung pwede nilang gawin. Pero, magiging masaya ka rin kasi syempre hindi naman tayo hindi naman tayo para maging selfish, no? Kasi huwag tayo maging selfish, huwag tayo maging selfish kasi sa lawak ng universe, syempre dapat merong nabubuhay na iba, hindi lang tayo, no? Kaya kung totoo mang may aliens talaga or kung talagang nag-i-exist sila, siguro maging handa tayo, no? Paghandaan natin kung sakaling totoo man talaga or kung ano man, bahala na si Batman. Basta ang akin dito, para sa akin lang, may halong kaba pero magiging excited dahil hindi naman tayo selfish kasi ayaw natin maging makasarili. Dahil sa sobrang lawak nga ng universe, as if naman na tayo lang talaga ang nabubuhay, hindi ba? So ayun, napansin din naman natin at ayun. At ayun nga, sinabi din naman dun sa news report at sinabi ng mga pulis na wala nga daw, yun nga, walang alien or kung ano man yung nandoon, no? So yun nga, at kung kayo, bahala kayo kung ano yung magiging palagay nyo, pwede nyo naman i-comment yan sa baba. At kung sakaling meron kayong mga gaya nitong video na to at gusto nyo lagyan natin ng kung ano-anong kwento or reaction, ay pwede nyo pong i-comment dyan sa baba at lalagyan natin ng mga kwento at reaction yung inyong mga paboritong video or madidiscover ng mga video dyan na gaya nito, mga nag-trend at kumalat at susubukan natin syempre. Gusto ko lang din magpasalamat muna na bago natin tapusin tong ating kuro-kuro dito at kwentuhan natin. Kasi ayun, medyo natatagalan yung pag-upload natin dahil meron tayong mga pinagkakabalahan. Pero yun, maraming salamat pa rin sa mga palaging nandiyan dyan sa atin at naghihintay at nag-aabang. At magkita-kita ulit tayo ha sa susunod. At kung kailan man yan ay hindi ko rin po alam. That's it guys, peace out.
Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave.